Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn off delete after sharing from the toolbar function in Samsung Galaxy S22. So, where to look for this option, how to turn it off. We of course need to go to settings, then we are looking for advanced features menu here, and here we have screenshots and screen recorder menu options. And here at the top, in the screenshot menu, we have our option. So we just uncheck this box, and now this option is turned off. So now we can safely close our menu and go back to our home screen. That's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.